Hey guys, so yesterday I got a brand new desk from IKEA and a lamp and a new plant. Let's go check it out. It's in my bedroom now. Let's go. This is my bedroom door. Nothing. We're in here right now. Here's the desk. Turn the lamp on. So, you guys there. Bam, baby! It's a chair. I have some stuff under there, like I'm wearing my slippers. Stuff. And my cup of tea. Busy tips. Always the best. Water. My little potted plant, whose name is Jeremy, covers up that big hole. Jeremy, it's supposed to be over there. And this lamp. Sorry if I just blinded you guys. And a straw. Take one has to get me here. Have my old wool under there, used to be here. Though it's a bit stuck. It gets stuck sometimes. That's have a lot of stuff under here. Like my phone. It's not charged. This is for the laptop. Right there, and my tea. Bonnie, get your foot out of there. And we got this for my light. I did not swear. I do not swear on this channel. This for the LED. No, that's not for the LED. What the hell is this for? Oh, the Among Us. Because so many lights can't you track. And this is for the LEDs. See up there. Zoom.